Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the optional properties. We had also seen the two examples. Basically, one was basic optional property and the second one was function with optional parameters. Today we'll be discussing about the read-only properties, right? So read-only properties in TypeScript basically prevents modification of the object properties of the initialization. Again, I'm telling this is very simple concept. Read-only properties in TypeScript prevent modification of the object properties after initialization. We have to usually use the read-only keyword before the property name, right? So we have to make use of the read-only keyword before the property name. So let's see. Let's try to implement the same with the example, right? First, let's see the basic read-only property, and the second example will be going with the read-only arrays, right? I'll just quickly come here. Let's try to implement this one with the read-only property with basic read-only property. I'll just quickly consider here type of car. Within this one, let me make use of read-only, right? So I'll just give here read-only. Let me give here brand, which is of the type string. And also let me consider one more thing, model. Your model property, this one will be, this parameter will be of the type string as well, right? Just quickly come out of this one. Let me consider variable my car. May assign this one to the car quickly. And within the object, what shall I consider here? Brand. Let me give some random name. Let me give Toyota, right? Yeah. So also, let me give here. We have considered model as well, right? So for the model, I'll just give here Corolla. You can give anything of your choice. I'll just take the relevant names, right, for this example. So I'll just give here model Corolla. So next, let me consider one more this is enough. Let me try to log here. I have given name my car, right? I'll just try to log the brand, which I've given here Toyota. So now what shall I do here? I'll just come here quickly. I'll just give here my car dot model. Let me set this one to Camry, right? So here I'll just quickly come here. I'll just set this one to Camry, right? So let me log here quickly. I have given this one my car dot model, right? So here I'll just give here model. So if I try to log, I have to get the output Toyota and Camry, right? We'll not be getting the output Corolla because we are assigning the model to the Camry. So let's see. Let's try to run the code. So yeah, we are getting the output Toyota and Camry. So I'll quickly explain what I have given here. What I have written here. So this one read-only brand, what I'm making use of here, this one basically the brand property cannot be modified. Here you can modify the model property, but you cannot modify the brand property as it is read-only. We have clearly mentioned the read-only, right? So the brand property cannot be modified here. My car.model, whatever I have used here, this is not an read-only property and it can be updated, and we have updated this one, right? Initially we have given Corolla and we have updated with the Camry. So the output we are getting Camry, right? So after the updation, we have logging the model and we are getting the output Camry as we are seeing here. So one more thing, if I try to log here, same thing. If I try to log the brand here, so that we didn't see, right? So we have mentioned the read-only property, and if we try to log this one, try to try to update the brand with the something. I'll just give here quickly. I'll just come here, or my car I have considered right here. I'll do one thing after this. Let me consider. This will be good. So just give me a second here. I'll just give here my car dot brand equals just anything. I'll just give here Honda, right? So if I try to run this one, we will get the error cannot assign this one, cannot assign something to brand property because it is read only property. That's what we have to get, right? Something like that. So let me try to run the code. So here you can clearly see cannot assign to the brand because it is a read only property. So I have clearly explained when we are making use of the read only property, we cannot modify the this one value, right? So here we have given Toyota. Once we have given the Toyota, it has the output will get Toyota itself. Let me comment this one. And we have not made use of the read only property to the property model. So we can update this one model. We have given Corolla, so we are just updating here. You can clearly see we are updating this one here, sorry, this one with the camera, I mean, yeah, Camry with the model. So the output, if I try to run this one, so we have to get the output Toyota and Camry, right? So I hope the concept of this one basic read only property is completely clear. Next, let's see one more example, nothing but the read only arrays. I'll just quickly erase this one. Let me come here. Let me consider numbers. So I'll just set this one to read only array, right? So within this one, let me name this one. Let me mention this one as the type number. So here, let me give 1, 2, 3, 4, right? I'll just take some random numbers, 4 numbers. So here, if I try something like push, if I try with the push property, so if I try to push some number, I mean add some number at the end, so we have to get the error, right? As this one we have clearly mentioned this is a read only array. So why I have left the space here, this has to be this one, this is fine. So I'll just give here numbers dot push of 5. We are trying to add the 5 at the end, right, to the array. This should give us the throws the error, as this is only read only this one, right? So we have to get the output, like property push does not exist on the type read only number, something like that, right? So let's try running the code. So yeah, clearly you can see here property push does not exist on the type read only number. So you cannot modify the array, right? So the elements in the array. So I'll just come here. Let me quickly comment this one. I'll come here. Let me log numbers of 0, nothing but the first index. So I have to get the output 1 here. So 1 is already present. We are not doing anything. So we have to get the output 1, which we are clearly getting. If I give something 2, we have to get here, just give me a second here, 3, right? So let's see here, we are getting the output 3. So this works absolutely correct. So I hope the concept of read-only arrays and the basic read-only property is completely clear. Nothing but the concept of read-only properties is completely clear. Next, we will be discussing about the mapped types, right? For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.